Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by powering down and unplugging the Xbox. Once unplugged, wait 10 minutes so capacitors discharge. Next, remove the side panels and screws with Torx T10 and T8. Keep each screw labeled so you can reverse the process. Carefully lift the top shell with a spudger to access the motherboard. You want clear access to the HDMI area. As you expose the board, make sure you avoid static by grounding yourself and remove dust with a soft brush. This reduces accidental shorts when you begin the solder work. Once the board is accessible, secure it on a non-conductive support. Now heat each solder joint on the HDMI jack with a 350-400 degrees C iron and apply flux to improve flow. Use solder wick or a desoldering pump to remove solder from the 5 signal pads and the 2 metal shield tabs. Do not yank the jack until all joints are loose. Once the jack lifts, clean leftover solder with flux and wipes. Then inspect pads and vias under magnification to confirm no lifted traces before preparing for the new part. Place the replacement HDMI jack aligned to pads and hold it. Tack solder the 2 metal shield tabs first to lock position, then solder the 5 signal pads ensuring shiny, full fillets. Once soldered, clean flux residues and use a multimeter to check continuity and that there are no shorts between ground and signal pins. Reassemble the shell, reconnect cables, then power up and test video output. If no signal, retry solder joints and test with a known good cable. This single process replacement fixes most HDMI failures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.